Hello, sweet crew, and welcome to a new episode of the Countdown to Christmas. This week, it's all about a twist on the cookies you leave for Santa on Christmas Eve. 2 batches of cookie dough balls,
salted caramel and peanut butter,
covered with chocolate and sprinkled with cute decorations. Get your apron and Christmas music ready.
Let's go!
For the cookie dough, you'll need flour, brown sugar, unsalted butter, salted caramel chips, peanut butter chips, milk, pure vanilla extract, salt. Preheat your oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Evenly distribute the flour on a cookie sheet covered with parchment paper. Bake for 5 minutes, enough to have the flour reach 165 degrees Fahrenheit, but not too much to let it brown. Let the flour cool completely before adding the salt and sifting both ingredients to remove any clumps. In a large bowl, add the brown sugar and the butter and whisk until smooth and light. Add the vanilla extract and half of the milk and whisk to incorporate them. Add half of the dry ingredients and whisk. Add the remaining dry ingredients and milk and incorporate them in the dough. Separate the dough in half. In the first half, add the salted caramel chips and incorporate them in the dough. With a spoon or an ice cream spoon, scoop some cookie dough and form 1-inch balls. Pop them in the fridge for about an hour to let them set. Repeat the steps with the peanut butter chips batch. For the decorations you'll need semi-sweet chocolate, white chocolate, sprinkles,
To separate both batches and know which is which.
Finally, chop the semi-sweet chocolate and add it in a double boiler or in a bowl that can handle heat. Place the bowl over a saucepan with simmering water, making sure the bottom of the bowl doesn't touch the water. Let the chocolate melt completely before removing from heat. Place the now set cookie dough balls on a cooling rack over parchment paper.
For the upcoming chocolate dripping and spills.
With a spoon, spread and cover the balls with the melted chocolate. Before the chocolate sets, you can add some sprinkles on half of the two batches as one type of decorations before popping them in the fridge so the chocolate can finish setting. But let's go ahead and be even more fancy. Finally, chop the white chocolate and add it in a double boiler or in a bowl that can handle heat. Place the bowl over a saucepan with simmering water, making sure the bottom of the bowl doesn't touch the water. Let the chocolate melt completely before removing from heat. Add the white chocolate in a piping bag with a very small opening and decorate the remaining chocolate-covered cookie balls. Before the chocolate sets, add sprinkles and pop them in the fridge so the chocolate can finish setting. I'm guessing all that's left to do is to remember which batch is which before eating.
Enjoy with a tall glass of milk.
Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and comment what you'd like to see next. Have a wonderfully sweet week!